Hi, my name is Patrick Corder here at MarineMax Stuart, and today I'm going to be going over one of my brokerage listings. It is a 2024 17 Montauk by Boston Whaler, equipped with beautiful gel coat light blue hull sides. You have the chrome accent here as well as the chrome lettering Boston Whaler logo. Particular boat's equipped with a 115 Mercury command thrust. We've added a 6-foot power pole, ski tow piling on the transom here, so it makes it real easy to get on and off. You have something to hold to that's not the engine. We've added some LED light guide poles just for a few things. We have here on this particular boat, you have the transom seats and then a multi-position seat right here at the helm, and then underneath you're going to have the Livewell. Low profile grab rails on both sides as well as the bow, and then here at the helm Simard MFD, and you have a transducer on the back, JL audio stereo, so you'll have speakers here at the helm station, and then a Mercury smart craft gauge. Again, this boat has 2.7 hours on it, so I'm sure there's some boats here on the lot brand new that have more hours on it. This boat is pre-equipped with the trolling motor setup, so you have storage space for your batteries. As well, up here you're going to have upgraded bow cushions with storage underneath, so you will have designated storage here, so you can use it as a cooler, fish box, etc. This is your actual designated cooler with cushions that are removable, so you can remove all these cushions. And then here on the bow you have designated storage for your anchor locker, life jackets, etc. This is a beautiful boat, again practically new. It does have Mercury Platinum warranty for the engines, as well as the Vantage protection for your cushion package. If you'd like to see this boat in person or schedule a sea trial, you can give us a call here at MarineMax or on my cell, 561-847-6675. Thank you and have a wonderful day.